every successful LIC agent has one secret: product mastery. The better you understand LIC plans, the stronger your confidence when you meet your clients. That's why today, we bring you something special: the Navaratna plans of LIC. These are the 9 gems every LIC agent must learn. The perfect mix of savings, protection, income, and child security. In this first episode, we'll explore the 5 foundation plans, the core of every successful presentation. Let's begin your journey from learning to mastery. Our first gem is the classic LIC's new endowment plan, Plan 714. It's a traditional savings cum protection plan designed for those who want security and steady growth. In simple terms, it's perfect for families who wish to save regularly and get a lump sum at maturity. For example, for a 35-year-old person taking a 21-year plan for 10 lakh rupees sum assured, the yearly premium comes to around 48,000 rupees, and at maturity, the total return is about 20.6 lakh rupees, including bonuses and final additional bonus. That's more than double the invested premium, plus full life cover throughout. This plan builds discipline, and that's what clients love most about it. So if your client asks for a simple, reliable savings plan, this is your best starting point. A true foundation plan every agent must master. The second gem is emotional. LIC's Jeevan Lakshya, Plan 733. This plan protects your family's dreams even when you're not around. In case of the policyholder's death, the family doesn't just receive a lump sum. They receive 10% of the sum assured every year till maturity, and then a large final payment of 110% of sum assured plus bonuses at maturity. For instance, for 10 lakh rupees cover, your client's family will get 1 lakh rupees every year and around 15 lakh rupees at maturity. That's real protection with purpose. This plan is ideal for parents, especially those with school-going children, because it ensures that the family income continues and the dream never stops. The third gem, Jeevan Labh Plan 736, is one of the most profitable limited pay plans from LIC. The word Labh means profit, and this plan truly lives up to its name. You pay premiums for a limited term and enjoy the benefits much longer. For example, for a 35-year-old with a 10 lakh rupees cover and a 21-year term, you pay for just 15 years around 57,000 rupee per year, and at maturity, receive about 20.6 lakh rupees including bonuses. That's smart savings with flexibility. Perfect for professionals, business owners, and NRIs. Shorter payment, long-term benefit, that's the power of Jeevan Labh. The fourth gem is one of LIC's all-time favorites. New Jeevan Anand, Plan 715. It's a combination of savings and lifelong insurance. The plan that never dies. During the policy term, your client enjoys both protection and bonus-linked growth. On maturity, a 10 lakh rupees policy pays around 20.8 lakh rupees. And after that, the 10 lakh rupees life cover continues for life, even without paying any further premium. This is why agents often call it the Pride Plan, because it gives lifelong protection and a sense of legacy. If your client wants one plan to secure life, family, and future, New Jeevan Anand is your go-to choice. And our fifth gem is for the next generation. LIC's Jeevan Tarun Plan 734. It's designed to secure your child's education and future dreams. For example, for a newborn baby with 10 lakh rupees cover, parents pay around 44,000 rupees per year for 20 years. The child starts receiving money every year from age 20 to 24, about 1.5 lakh rupees annually. And at age 25, receives around 18.5 lakh rupees as maturity value. The best part, even if something happens to the parent, the plan continues, ensuring the child's education never stops. Jeevan Tarun is not just a plan. It's a promise parents make to their children. So here are your 5 foundational gems, each shining with its unique purpose. New endowment for stability. Jeevan Lakshya for family protection. Jeevan Labh for short-term profit. Jeevan Anand for lifetime legacy. And Jeevan Tarun for child dreams. Together, they form the foundation of financial security for every Indian family. And if you want detailed knowledge about each plan, don't worry. We have dedicated videos for every plan linked in the description box below. Watch them to master each plan individually and make your presentations stronger. In the next episode, we'll explore the remaining 4 Navaratnas, the plans that create income, pension, and wealth, like Jeevan Utsav, Jeevan Amar, Nivesh Plus, and Jeevan Shanti. Don't forget to subscribe to Insurance Funda and use the smart all-in-one calculator app to generate real plan illustrations for your clients. Remember, knowledge builds confidence, and confidence builds success.